Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mira Hadirah binti HADAFI. My student ID is 2025110921. Today I'm going to present Smart Apple Inventory System for assignment 2 for CSC508. Starting with my objective, the first one is to calculate sum, average, minimum and maximum using a queue or stack. The second one is to copy or move object data from a queue to another queue, stack to another stack, queue to stack, and stack to queue. Lastly, I also have one type of expression conversion using stack.
We have Smart Apple class, linked list class, node class, queue class, stack class, and we have the main, which is main Smart Apple. For the expression conversion, we have EXP conversion class and main expression conversion. First, in the Smart Apple class, we declare all the attributes. We have ID, name, category, color, price, and also quantity. Here, we have default constructor, normal constructor, a getter method, setter method, and also toString method. In the linked list class, we declare a node 8, tail, and current. We have a default linked list class and get it to return the first element in the linked list, and it's empty to check whether the list is empty. Insert that front method to add new object data at the front of linked list. We have insert back to add new object data at the back linked list. We have get first to return the first object product in the linked list. We have get next to return the next element in the linked list. And we have get last, return the last element in the linked list. We also have remove from front to remove the first element in the linked list. Remove from back to remove the last element in the linked list. We have a size to return the number of elements in the linked list. We have a clear method to clear the list. And lastly, print to print all elements in the list. In the node class, we declare an object data to store information in the data, and node next to point to the next node. Here we have a default constructor, normal constructor. We have a set data to update the data, set next to update the reference to the next node, get data to get the data stored in this node, get next to get the next data, and toString to print all of the data. Moving on to the queue class that extends linked list class. Queue is a linear data structure that follows the FIFO principle, which stands for first in, first out. First one, we declare the constructor. Next, we have enqueue method to add an element at the back of the queue. We have dequeue method to remove and return the front element of the queue. We have get front method to allow us to view the first element without removing the elements, and get end to return the last element in the queue without removing it. Next, we have isEmpty method to check whether the queue is empty. Finally, the print method to display all elements in the queue. Moving on to the stack class, also extend of linked list class. Stack is a linear data structure that follows the LIFO principle, which stands for last in, first out, which means the last element added to the stack will be the first one to be removed. First, we declare the constructor. Next, we have a push method to add an element at the top of the stack. We have pop method to remove and return the top element of the stack. We also have a pick method to allow us to view the top element without removing it. isEmpty method to check whether the stack is empty. And lastly, print method to display all elements that are currently in the stack. Moving on to expression conversion, where the class name is EXP conversion. In this class, we're going to convert an infix to postfix using stack. An infix expression is an expression where operators are written between operands, for example, A plus B. A postfix expression places the operator after operand. For example, A, B plus. First method, we have precedent method. In this precedent method, we determine the priority of the operators. The addition and sub symbol have the lowest precedent, so the method will return 1. Star and division will have medium precedence, so it returns 2. The symbol power has the highest precedent, so it returns 3. If the character is not a valid operator, the method will return -1. So moving on to the main method, infix to postfix. The string builder called as a result is used to store the postfix expression. A stack character name stack is used to temporarily store operators. Then the program will read the infix expression character by character using a for loop. If the character is a letter or digit, it is considered an operand. The operand is directly added to the postfix result. If the character is opening bracket, it push onto the stack. If the character is closing bracket, operators are popped from the stack and added to the result until the opening bracket is found. The opening bracket is then removed from the stack. The character is an operator such as the plus, the minus, the star, division or power. The program will compare its precedence with the operator at the top of the stack. Operator with higher or equal precedence are popped from the stack and added to the result. The current operator is then pushed onto the stack. Last, after the entire infix expression has been processed, any remaining operators in the stack are popped and added to the postfix result. Finally, the method returns the postfix expression after removing extra spaces. Next is the main program that used to run the infix to postfix expression conversion. Inside the main method, firstly, the program will display a message converting infix to postfix. Next, the program can create an object of the EXP conversion class. This object is used to call the method that performs the infix to postfix conversion. Then, several variables are declared. Infix is used to store the user infix expression, postfix to store the converted postfix expression, and response to store the user choices. And the user will be asked whether they want to use the stack expression. If yes, user asked to enter infix expression, and then expression is passed to the infix to postfix method, and then the postfix expression will be displayed in a dialog box. If the user enter no, the program will display message that the stack expression is exited. Lastly, the program will display a thank you message. Lastly is the main class for my program, which is main smart apple. The user then asked to enter the name of product. For each product, the user enter product ID, name, category, color, price, and stock quantity. Each product is created as a smart apple object and stored in a queue to keep the input order. Next, the user can choose whether to display the product list. The program then calculates the total price and average price of all products using a temporary queue so that the original data is not lost. After that, the system finds the minimum and maximum product price and display them in the if the user agrees. The product is then moved from queue to a stack. This allows the system to identify products with low stock, which are items with less than 10 units. The user can choose to display the list of low stock products. Finally, The program ends by displaying a thank you message. So now I'm going to run my system. First, my system will display Welcome to Smart Apple Inventory System. Next, they will ask to enter the number of product. Let's say we enter 4. They will ask us to enter product ID. Then, the user can choose whether to display the product list. Let's say they enter yes. Then we can see all the product that has been stored in the queue. Product ID, the name, category, price, and quantity. Next, they will ask us to calculate the price and average price. Let's say we click yes. Then we do total the sum of Apple product, which are 9,000, and average price is 2,250 ringgit. And then we can also choose to display the minimum and maximum price. Then we display the minimum price is 1,200 and the maximum price is 3,400. You can see based on the list, the highest price is 3,400 and the lowest price is 1,200. Then we can display the product with low stock. Here we can put yes. You can see the product with less than 10 is iPhone SE with the quantity only 5. Next, I'm going to run my main expression for version. So firstly, my system will display a message converting in fixed to postfix. Next, they will ask the user whether they want to use a stack expression. And we need to enter a fixed expression. So, for example, and then it will display the postfix expression, which is ABC times D times plus D equal. And the system will display, thank you for using Smart Apple app. And that's all from me. Thank you.